Yo.
You see the message?
No.
Why you ignore me?
I looked doing this. I don't have time to look at messages, dude.
What is this? Go ahead, check. I'm everywhere.
No, so what do you message me?
Alright, it's okay. Join us this Friday.
Yeah. Yeah. I was supposed to announce you see you. Okay, thanks.
Somebody sitting next to you?
Huh?
Somebody sitting to your left.
No, no one.
Okay, I'll move there. So don't accidentally walk the camera.
Have an exciting hackathon showcase for you. You cannot this ask this man to help you with the math. He will give you so much shit.
My goodness.
I think you're just gonna have that.
That's just better. That's better. Can you switch to the
When you do
show us up on a different one. Yeah, right. I guess
You can do notes on your own.
yeah, exactly.
That's it.
I wish I could help.
Yeah. Something's blocking the screen. Oh. Can you close your bag?
Oh, yes, that's what I'm trying
Thank you. No problem.
I think they overplayed. They have to do something. Extended. Somebody sit here.
You want me to stream this on Twitch too?
I know you already get Wi-Fi.
Yes.
Connection is poor.
The connection is poor. It's very shit.
Yeah. I think I only do a local recording actually. That's in case.
Yes. What's your bit rate?
The thing is that I'm not sure whether my mic is working.
The bit rate's already low and it's switch.
Yeah. Okay. So the thing is that I do not know if my audio is fine.
You want me to test this? It's public, right? Oh, you haven't went.
Test.
Have you gone live already?
very ambitious.
No, please. Not here.
Too high?
No, it wants to cover up the Chrome tab at the very top of the window.
What?
The Apple bar at the top.
Please no, don't interfere with the.
Too much?
I don't think the projector would like it. It is a very hot ball.
No,
But just...
please no, please don't.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Is it better to promote Apple, Chrome and
It's-
Zoom and...
We might damage the projector, which is... We've damaged the projector in the ECAP summit. It cost us 200,000.
But I think the hot comes from...
The bulb that you're covering.
But just the very...
No means no.
It doesn't
Is it?
like it.
Is it ready?
Yeah, it's on. It's just that I need to correct the mic. Okay, give me a few moment. And please don't touch the equipment.
Okay. Let's promote it.
Why are you here? No,
I'm registered too for the hackathon.
I didn't get scared because you touched my arm. I got scared because you're here.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
But I'm registered to be here.
Why are you here?
You're supposed to talk about the Tagalog Wikimedia and certain accents thingy
Look at this guy acting like he's a technical editor.
I do documentation.
For what?
I do a lot of the translation for documentation.
I'm kidding. Jesus Christ, Josh, take a joke.
That was a joke. Anyway, but yes, I do have the need of other more technical people.
Yes.
To do technical review for it.
Is there a specific...
Just up there in the snow. It's a snowflake. Not also. Look, man, I'm trying every year. Hi everyone, can we get settled? I see you standing there. Can you have a seat? Yes,
good?
you.
No, I can't get the microphone because of this.
You want to just use a normal mic?
I didn't read that. All right. Good morning, everyone. Are we going to start now? Yes. Okay. So welcome to the Hackathon opening ceremony for Wikimedia 2025. You can clap now. Woo! Yes, I'll have you know I run a very tight ship. So once they clap, you clap. Jump, you jump, you know. Let's be together in this. Okay. So good morning. My name is Onine and I work for the foundation. And by some chance, I'm part of the organizing committee this year, which is something. So yeah, you'll be seeing me around a lot, and I also have a lot to say. Oh my gosh, yeah. Alright. Moving into the agenda for today, here's what you expect. We will have some welcome and intros. I will tell you how to get involved. Now, I feel like everyone here is here for the project, which is the most interesting part. But I will be doing the boring part now, so stick with me, okay? Don't leave me. Alright, and then we'll go into the interesting part after I'm done with the boring stuff. Agreed? Agreed? Yes. Agreed?
Yes.
Remember, tight ship, people, tight ship. Get it together. Okay, moving on. Alright, so welcome to Nairobi, Kenya. I heard that this is the first time we're having Wikimedia in West Africa. So clap for Kenya now, people. Alright, so thank you to Kenya for that. And here are the things that you can look out for aside from hacking. So we're having the opening ceremony here right now, hosted by yours truly. Clap for me. Thank you very much. And then we'll also have the closing showcase on the 9th of August. And then we have the Coolest Still Award, which is a very fun program where we award tools in the ecosystem that help us make our lives easier while working on Wikimedia projects. So be there. I think for this year we have 3 very interesting categories that I think you want to see. So be there, always square. Alright. We also have so many interesting sessions on events here. You can check the schedule. I will put the slide in the calculator board so you have access to it. Check the schedule for what you would like to attend and join those. I found a very interesting one under Wild Ideas. I think it's something around how to build your own Wikipedia game. I don't know if it's one for you, but you can see where my head's at. Alright, moving on to the next part. So I wanted to talk about what the Wikimania Hackathon is about, because we have some newcomers in the room, as well as old-timers. But basically, the space where you can work on projects, learn from each other, and kind of collaborate. So it's a very open space. Don't be shy, don't be scared. If you have questions, please ask. Look for me. I'm never shy to ask questions. Look for me and I will help you hunt people down, you know. Just let me know. And if you're looking for projects to work on or people to connect with, stick around. There's many of that to go around. Alright. So because this room is a bit small, I wanted us to have other options for hacking spaces, right? So if you look right the lunch area there has some tables. If you and your team think that you are too cool for school, aka too cool for this room, you can use the lunch area to hack. We also have a space on the 10th floor that you can use to hack. Also, the quiet room on the 2nd floor can also be used. If you want to find your way to any of those places, look for me, or use your eyes and look for the staircase. Anyone works, just let me know. Alright, we have Wi-Fi at every single of these venues, so you're always online and always connected. If you have any issues, don't look for me, look for someone else that can help you, please. Alright, now how to get involved, don't worry. I'm almost done with the boring part. You can interact with Wikimedia attendees. We have Telegram channel on WM Hack where you can ask questions, drop comments, do a lot of things over there. And then we have the Fabricator workboard. It has interesting projects. It also has some sessions, both poster ones that you can join in, or projects that you can work on for both newcomers and those who have been here for a bit. We have the schedule on Wikimania Wiki, where you can see what will be happening in this space throughout the week, so you have an idea of what to expect when you're coming here in the morning, right? Then we also have participant lists where we have everyone who has signed up for the hackathon, what languages they speak, and most importantly, what they'll be working on, right? So you can know how to join and how to help them out any way that you can. If you have questions, there is a help desk right outside this door, where we will have volunteers there. Shout out volunteers for a minute. We'll have volunteers there who will be helping answer any questions you have. So you can meet them or look for any of the organizers, myself, or anyone else that's standing in this corner here. They are all, can hold all of them liable to help you out if you have any questions. Alright, so last 2 points. We have the P&T initiative area. So basically, if you want to learn about what we're doing at the foundation, in the area of maybe content reuse, in the area of safety and security for data, mobile editing, if they interest you, we have so many initiative areas this year. If you go to this link on the slide, you see them, but they're only available Thursday, Friday, Saturday at lunchtime, and they will be on the 2nd floor. On the 2nd floor, and the tables will be properly labeled. They'll be labeled according to the initiative areas, and they will have someone there. So if you have any question on content reuse, or on the community wish list, or how we do mobile editing at Wikimedia, please feel free. 2nd floor at lunchtime. There will also be lunch there. So you can have lunch and ask all questions at the same time. Then, in this room, we would have the developer corner and the AI table. For developer corner, we have Peter. Peter, are you here? Okay, can somebody give Peter the mic for 2 seconds to kind of share with us what he has in store for developer corner? Thank you, Peter.
Hello, everyone. So my name is Mira, and I work with the test platform team, and we specialize on test platform, making sure you can be able to test your code. So basically, especially for the newcomers, if you're having trouble with having a local development setup, I can help you with that. We're also working with on something experimental where you can set up Dockerized media wiki with just one command. So if you are willing to test that one out, you can also talk to me. Also, if you are having trouble finding a bug, uploading a patch set to get it, I can help also help you with that. So also, if you're interested with patch demo, some of you may be aware that we are changing the package to Project Catalyst. It's a new project, and if you have comments on that or suggestions on that, I can also help you with that. So thank you.
Thank you, Peter. When you said catalyst, I saw Claude said, yay. So you like it, yeah? Okay, so yeah. So if you have any question on that, you can meet Peter. We also have somebody else called Esther, and she will be here during the day. They will be both seated at the back table there. Yes, right there at the back, exactly. Thank you, Otto. So they'll be there throughout the event day, so please chat to them. We also have the AI table that will be run by Kevin. Kevin, are you here? Yes, thank you, Kevin.
Hi everyone, I'm Kevin, a software engineer in the machine learning team. And if anyone is curious about how we use AI in Wikipedia, please come find me at my table. I'll be happy to
machine learning at Wikimedia, Kevin is your go-to guy. Don't come to me, go to Kevin, you know. I know nothing. Alright, moving on. This year we have something new that we introduced on the Wikipedia. It's about WMF P&T attendees. So aside from initiative areas, we also have staff who attend the hackathon who are really good in different areas of focus, and they have agreed, or they didn't agree, I made them agree to put their name on the wiki and their area of focus. If you go to this link, you see so many of them and what they can help you with. So if you need any help in these areas, please feel free to go there and speak with them. If you don't know who they are, look for me. I know who they are, have no fear. I will find them out for you and we can ask them questions together if that's okay. Alright, you see, the boring bit is done. Clap for me. Okay, moving to interesting stuff. I'll hand over to Benedict now. Thank you so much.
Yeah, I'm the interesting guy, so please be interested. So I'm Benedict Ude. I work with the Foundation Movement Communication Specialist. Today we will be doing a lot of hacking, I hope. And I want to quickly just do a check. If this is your first time in any hackathon, show of hand. Can we put our hands together for them? Second question. If this is, so those with your hands raised, just please keep them up. If this is your first time in a Wikimedia Hackathon, be it the Wikimania Hackathon, be it Wikimedia Hackathon, be it any wiki-related hackathon, this is your first time. Raise your hand. Please put your hands together for that. So if you take a look, for those of us who have been to some hackathon, who have experience, you might want to maybe come out and pitch what you're working on. There are a lot of people who want to work on this. And my hope is that at the end of this whole pitching session, you'll be willing to also mentor these new folks who are joining us for the first time. So, without further ado, if you have a project you want to pitch, and you I think I pressed Ctrl spoil. So, if you have any project you want to pitch, you want to work on during this hacking, please just let me make you do some exercise. Can you stand up wherever you are? You have a project you want to work on during this hackathon. Come on, guys, don't be shy.
Wait, we cannot have this room full of people at the hackathon who are not hacking. What are we doing wrong?
So if you have a project you want to work on, stand up, come out. Are we shy? Okay, let's put our hands together for them as they come out. We'll keep clapping until they come out. So. Yes. Somebody's coming out and you're stopping. Thank you. So, just the four of you. Okay. Alright, so let's lay down some, ground rules. First, you have 30 seconds. And in the 30 seconds, again, no slides, just go straight to it. So you mention your username or any other name you would like to mention. What you're planning to work on during this hacking period. Again, that's very important. So join you. What kind of support you will be needing. Super important. How people can contribute. Again, you saw that we have lots of new folks here who might be looking for where to contribute and how to help. This is the time you can share that. And of course, how you can be reached, either here or online. Again, I learned some folks, we're streaming this online, right? So for those online, you can also submit your projects on the Fabricator board. I think the link will be shared. So you can put your projects there, and you can just write your, just same thing, just follow the username and all of that. Again, without further ado, I want to hand over to the first person. Please put your hands together.
Sam. I work on the foundation on the moderator tools team, and we recently did some work on the watch list. We encountered an issue where some users have really big watch lists, like thousands or hundreds of thousands of pages, very unmanageable. A cool project that I think someone could work on, but not me, because I won't be here that often, but I can help, is to make a little tool to kind of mask unwatch list pages, so like pages that haven't edited in a long time, or user pages for people who've been blocked, that kind of thing, to kind of help people manage their watch lists and make it more useful. So I just found the Fabricator ticket with some more details. I'm happy to like help and pitch it, but I won't be writing any code, so this is kind of an idea to throw out there.
But if you need a product manager,
I'm happy to write user stories.
Thank you. Please put your hands together for me.
Okay, this is another kind of inverse product pitch. I'm C. Scott, user C. Scott. You can call me Scott or C. Scott. I work on wiki text and to some degree on Scribuntu. So if you have a wiki text question, like how do I make that work, or I have something that I want to put on the page and I don't know how to code it, come find me. I'd love to help you. And my personal project, I'm going to be hacking on Scribuntu, which doesn't get a lot of love. And I'd like to make it work better with languages other than English. So if you have, and I love languages. I know there's a language table as well, but if you have a particular language you love, I'd love to like translate Lua keywords into that language and like see what it would look like to actually write a module in a non-English language. Yeah.
Hi everyone, I'm Samuel /SDKB. One feature that I'd like to see that does not currently exist is an easier way for newcomers who are looking at an article's talk page to find model articles, to find high quality featured or good articles that are within the same topic area that they can use as inspiration for how to structure an article they might be working on. And I do some template coding, but I don't do technical programming. So I would love some help creating a function that can take as input any article that someone might want to be working on and find the most similar topic-wise good or featured article to that. You can contact me on my user page. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Jon Harald Søby from Norway, and I would like to work on the incubator if anyone's interested in helping to improve that. But the small project that I'm actually hoping to finish during this hackathon is to move the add interlanguage links link in Wikipedia articles into the add languages button in Vector 22, because it doesn't make sense that it's in the toolbox and not the button. So that's the small thing I want. Oh, maybe anywhere. I don't know. Telegram, whatever.
Alright.
My name is Ranjit Sidhi. I'm from Kerala, India. Right now I'm planning to work on this game with Wikimedia or Wikidata or Wikimedia Commons. Yeah. Right now I try to work on a geographical guessing game called WikiGuesser. I had created a first prototype, so I would like to improve on that. The second project I'm aiming to work on that a project in Wikipedia. You can give likes to the contributions. Okay, I will try to find some way to hack the existing APIs and something like that, and to build something upon that to give likes to other users. And if you are logging into the tool, then you can see the likes you got. Yeah. You can find me on Telegram, and I'll be roaming around here. Yeah.
Alright, thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Eugene, and I work on a project called ISA, the ISA tool. Many GLAM institutions and projects depend on this tool. It has been running for more than 4 years now, and we have some issues with caching, querying, and also design. So if you want to have fun, you can meet me always around.
hey everyone, I'm Navya. I'm currently working on a tool called Community Alerts Dashboard. This tool is basically used to monitor the edit counts in the community, see what the peaks are. So for each Wikipedia project, if language, you'll be able to see what are the abnormalities in the trends. And then there's an annotation layer on top of it where the users can come and annotate why the peak has become the abnormality, what events has caused it. So that's what the tool is about. It's currently hosted in ToolForge, and I'm going to migrate the UI parts to Codex. I've got to know about Codex yesterday and the day before I come to Wikimania, so that's what I'm planning to work on. You'll find me on this table here, and I'm also on Telegram.
Hello, hi. I'm Gopa. I'll be working on a tool called Translate Tiger. This was built in the Wikimedia Hackathon in May this year. So this tool helps translate admin life easier by adding the translate tags to wiki text in an automated way. So if you are a designer or if you are a developer, the tool is in the Python and Flask application. So yeah. Also, if you are a translate admin, there are like a bunch of bugs which are exist in the tool. So please find me. Let's make the tool easier and then friendly. Thank you.
Hi, how are you? My name is Jorge. I am from Uruguay. I work on a tool called Paulina, which is a Wikidata-based tool that with which you can search for authors and works which are in the public domain. And well, I work on during the hackathon on improving search filters and also improving statistics about authors and works from different countries. So if you like working with Python, which the tool is in Python, and with Wikimedia APIs, well, you're welcome. On Telegram, I am Jorge Met.
Alright. Hi everyone, my name is Claude, C-H-L-O-D, funny spelling, I know. I've been working on the Nuke extension for MediaWiki, which is using master link pages. And I've been working on it since yesterday, but I've hit a wall, which is I cannot for the life of me find out how to set up tests for Vue. So if you happen to be good at testing Vue on our CI infrastructure, then please reach out to me because I really need your help. I'm Claude everywhere, and on Telegram I am at Claude Alejandro. So thank you very much, and see you around.
Thank you.
Hi, I'm Sony from English Wikipedia. This is my first hackathon, so I'll be writing. So I plan to write a simple script to track admin actions on English Wikipedia because we do not have a comprehensive list yet, and that is one of our committee needs. And after that, I hope to learn more about other places I can contribute on and probably help with more PyWikibot. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello everyone. I'm Valentin from Wikimedia DR Congo, and I work to a solution called EMI. It's a solution help to know the most article view in the country. And another solution is Wikidata query service with AI. So if you coding to the GS JavaScript, or if you need to understand or work this solution, you are welcome to join me. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hello. My name is Gopala. This is my first hackathon, and I'm currently working on the Wikimedia Commons app. If anyone interested working on the Wikimedia Commons app, and we have around 590 plus issues, and we want to improve the Wikimedia Commons app. If you want to contribute, please find me on this table, and I'm also available on Telegram. Thank you.
Hi, myself Fatul. I'm from Kerala, India. We have a project called like user info fetcher to fetch user contributions. That will be very much helpful for events like and many situations other like this. So like anyone want to contribute in this tool can contact me, or Gino is there also. So you can contact me on Telegram, Fatul
here. So thank you. Anybody else? Last chance.
Oh, yeah. Hi, so I'm Robert, Robert Ski from Singapore, also English Wikimedia. I'm going to work on a few stuff, hopefully I can complete all of them. First I'm going to set up Wikimedia Singapore user group website on MediaWiki. It's halfway done. That's one. Second is that I have a user script to do an index of all Singapore related articles. I'm looking to extend it to all indexes so that you can have indexes of all articles on Wikimedia. And also I'm managing Wikimedia Wiki as well, so I'm also fixing some bugs on there. Yeah, so I'm generally on the table half the time, so yes, so you can find me there. Yeah.
Thank you.
Hi, I'm Richard, user Faros from New York, in the United States. I'm working on a project called Wikinews Pulse, which is, you may be familiar with Wikinews. It's a sort of a news-based sister site of Wikimedia project. It's not very successful. This is a reconceptualization of it as a series of news events each day that's expressed not in prose but in Wikidata type machine-readable stuff. So this happened on this day. This thing happened, and it'd be linked to from all the different Wikipedia languages and all the stuff on Wikidata. The idea is to have a running update of the news that's like something like in the news, but that's much more comprehensive and includes all of the relevant facts and updated Wikipedia articles for the day, hoping to help develop the model a little bit on Wikidata, have something preliminary, and maybe make some sort of mock-up on a cloud project or something like that. So if anyone wants to be part of that, I'm very welcome to join. Thanks.
Anybody else? So the last person. How many projects are 60? 60.
Hello everyone. I'm Nagaru. I'm an interface administrator on the Spanish Wikipedia. I'll be working on adapting Infobox Lua module-based code so that images are properly displayed in dark mode on the Spanish Wikipedia. If anyone knows about Lua, I think I'm not very much familiar with. I will be needing help. My username is Nakaru, N-A-C-A-R-U on Telegram. Thanks, everyone.
Thank you so much. Okay, one more.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, I'm Afandi Murad. I'm from Indonesia. So my username is my full name, Afandi Murad. So what you're planning to work on? So I'm full-time front-end programmer. So what kind of support you need? Maybe just a bit of the JavaScript maybe can, but need used to read the first. And how people can contribute, I don't know, I have no idea. So how people can reach out to you, just simply come to me. So actually I already create my own project to combine Wikidata, Wikisource, Wiktionary using Wikimedia API. If you're interested, just come to me.
Alright, thank you so much again. Can we put some round of applause for everybody? I mean, we started off shy, but then we warmed up, which is nice. So yes, so far I think we have 18 projects. So for those of us who are new, who don't have a project to work on, and is again just curious, you can just take your curiosity to look through our Etherpad where you can see all the projects. Again, for those who pitched, you can also go to the Etherpad, and just in case if something is not correctly written, you can help fix that. But before I proceed, I want to hand the mic to Joydeep.
Hi everybody, good morning. I'm Joydeep. I'm from the foundation and I am a UX designer. So I know that there are 18 projects and maybe some of them might need some design support. If anybody is planning to use Codex in your design, please come talk to us. We have set up a design table just outside this door on the right side. So yeah, if you have any questions, if you are planning to use Codex in your design, we are there to help.
Thank you. Also, we have other projects which are on the workboard. So again, if you go to Fabricator, you will see some other projects that were not mentioned here. But I want to also mention that for those who are new, there are different ways you can contribute. You've heard you can contribute via Python, for those who know how to write Python, and Python, I'm not talking about the snake, I'm talking about the code. For those who know how to write any other programming language, you're so much useful here. Guess what? Even if you don't know how to write code, but you know how to do documentation, a lot of these tools need help with documentation, even translating it to the various languages. So there are a lot of ways you can contribute, you can help. Don't be intimidated. The hackathon is just a space for us to collaborate. So without further much, I want to just move on to see if anybody have any question whatsoever.
Can you share the user directory link?
Yeah, I will share. It's also on the Fabricator workboard. Any question? No question? Okay, at the end of the hackathon, which is ending Saturday, we will be having sort of like a project showcase. I would be expecting a lot of the new, or those who this is their first time, I want you to set a goal for yourself. That at the end of this whole hacking process, you will be part of those that come out and say, I'm proud I worked on this. Again, if you're still not sure what to work on, there is also another session that will be taking place immediately after this, which is the matching. So we can call it mix and match, but we do have a tool called mix and match. But in this case, matching pairing with mentors. So if you need help, you need mentors on a particular project, we'll have a session after this. So again, I want to encourage everybody, try as much as you can to at least support one project before you leave. Thank you so much, everyone. I remain Benedict. Oh yes, and even if you didn't register, you still can be during the closing showcase. So again, no pressure, but try and be there. Thank you.
Hi everyone, is Otto here?
Okay, so mentee matching session will be happening right now. So I would request all the mentors to be in the room for a few minutes. We're just setting up the laptop, so give us like a few minutes. share about them. Now, in the mentor-mentor session, I would request all the project mentors who are willing to mentor others in this particular hackathon would like to come forward. So we'll be doing some little activity here. So yeah, requesting all the project mentors to come forward. Hello, are you all there with me? Yes? If yes, can you please raise your hands?